Hi students, this is Mr. Smith presenting Uses of Computers Chapter 2. Let us begin. There are many places where computers are used. Here are few places and there are many more as you all are aware of. Nowadays computer is used in every fields of life, every aspects of the human places wherever you can think of. Every place computers are used. Let us discuss a few like in homes, hotels, shops, office, school, banks, airports, railway station, hospitals, research, scientific research, communication, defense, designing, transport, etc. There are many. You may be thinking of many more places. In schools, computers are used for smart classes. In school office, making timetable, printing a report card, computer practicals, school library and e-books. You are very familiar with many of these. Uses of computers in home. You will be knowing it very better. Right now you are at home. You are learning computers, doing your homework that is being given, listening to music. Online shopping is a bit difficult now, but you are familiar with this too. Playing games, don't play much of watching movies and learning new things. Computers are also used in hotels and shops, shopping malls. You all are knowing about this. In the hotels and in shops, they are used for mainly maintaining records of stocks, prices, sales of different items, what is there, what is not there, how much is being sold, what is the profit area, say details of every customer. Yes, a few malls are having the mobile numbers being feeded. Preparing bills and scanning barcodes. You may be having a general question like what is a barcode? Yes, these lines printed on everything that you buy, these are barcodes. By just scanning this, a person can know what is this thing, what is the rate of it, everything. Next point. Computer is also used in office for preparing presentations. Example I am doing now. Doing calculations. Yes, many things have been had to be calculated before doing some business. Typing and maintaining the records, storing data and printing documents. Computers are used in airports and railway stations. I know this is the answer which every student in the previous classes used to give. Airport and railway station is used for reservation. E-tickets. E-tickets means through internet we can book and reserve and cancel our tickets. Arrival and departure of trains and flights. Tracking the location where the flight or where the train has reached, the speed, the direction of the trains and the aeroplanes. Computer is used in banks mainly for maintaining records. Yes, then e-payment like through this cards. You are familiar with this ATM cards, debit card, the credit card. So with this and some of the apps like Paytm, PayPal, and this is the ATM. Yes, the person is taking out money. Maybe you have been visiting ATM because of your parents, some of them. Computer is used in hospitals for diagnosing various diseases, like for you can say scanning, X-ray, okay, and then preparing medical reports, booking appointment with the doctor, preparing bills, doing operations. Yes, while doing operations also ECG, many things has to be taken care through the computer. Nowadays robots are there trained for made for different purposes. Uses of computer in designing. Architects use for designing buildings, for designing cars and vehicles, different aeroplanes, everything models can be decided by this. Designing machines to make our work easy. Yes, every day new models, new techniques. Then creating animated cartoon. I hope you are very familiar with these cartoons. Creating movies and advertisements, everything is very simple by this. Uses of computer in publishing for printing book, printing newspapers, printing magazines. E-publishing means same, but in your mobile you can get, or in your internet, your laptop, you can read books, you can read magazines, news, various things you can be doing with publishing. Next one, uses of computer in scientific research and defense. Yes, scientific research means everyday new discoveries the scientists have been doing. We have reached the Mars. Everything is done with the help of computer. Weather forecasting. Before time, we know that maybe 3-4 days later there will be rain, or maybe tomorrow there will be heavy rain. Like this, reports are being given in the news channels. Launching and controlling satellites. Satellites are working for various purposes. Then designing robots. Then launching a rocket or a missile. Uses of a computer in communication. I hope these two signs are known by you. Nowadays, many more other symbols, icons are known. So, sending and receiving emails, instant messages like WhatsApp and Facebook, etc. Let's go to the next slide. Uses of computer in transportation. Transportation means drone camera. Have you seen a having camera? Same way, a drone can be used to carry things from one place to another. These are different types of drones that are made. This one's carrying loads are without pilots. There are no person driving it. Next slide. Uses of computer in transportation. Yes, one more point is that we can find our location. Google Map, navigators, there are so many which are used to find new places, or maybe if you are stuck somewhere, a person can know where you are through your location. And finding nearby places when you are traveling. If you need to find a restaurant, you just need to type over there restaurant and you get the nearest ones. Next slide. Uses of computer in learning new skills. Yes, new skills like if you want to learn, like you are at home right now, if you want to learn something like singing, dancing, a language on any topic, how to print, how to do any other work, like elders can learn driving, typing, computers. Your mom can learn making different dishes while cooking. Everything is very familiar and very easy, so we can learn new skills with this. And yes, thank you for watching. Hope you like it.